Welcome back to Tech Man. In this video, let me show you how you can get a Shopify free trial and get $1 for a month subscription. First, open Shopify on your browser. Just search for shopify.com and you will see this page right here. From here, click the free trial button, and after that, you will be asked some questions about you and the store you want to build. To create a Shopify account, you can simply sign up using your existing email or Facebook. In my case, I will just use my Gmail. So let's click this one. Choose your account over here. And as you can see, you will be greeted with Shopify's dashboard. On the top part, you will see this plan for $1. Click on the select plan on the top right. On this page, select which plan you want to avail. You can see that the basic plan to advanced plan is $1 only. Just a quick note, on your first monthly payment, you will only pay for $8, but after the first month, you have to pay for the original price for the plan you purchase. In our case, let's select this basic plan. Just simply click select basic. Over here, you just need to input your card details or payment details, and once done, click subscribe on your right. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.